Yes, you did. Chasing birds. Oh. Not much of it left. It's probably gonna melt this week. Good morning, happy Sunday. It is February, I don't really know actually, February something. 19th? I really don't know. We didn't get much done yesterday. Joey did get some poop hauled because it got really cold again here. It was like 10 degrees yesterday morning. So I got some poop hauled last night. I think he's got a little bit more to get done today. Yesterday I had the opportunity to go to the Wisconsin Cattlemen's Association Winter Conference. So that was really cool. We talked about the wolf population, which thankfully isn't a problem in southern Wisconsin, but in our northern counties it's incredible the amount of damage that wolves do to cattle herds, and how quickly they can take away new calves. So that was interesting. And then we also had a great panel. Sorry, Jack really needed to turn that light on. So we also take 3. We also had a great panel on rotational grazing, which is something that I would love to do here, but I gotta look more into it. I just don't think that we have the pasture space, and like, I don't know how it would work. Okay, we really have to feed milk, and then we'll talk more later. We will feed milk. How many bottles do we need?
2.
2 is correct.
Jack, can I put 1 in? Yeah.
Do you need help? Lift it from the handles.
How much scoop?
Almost a full scoop.
Huh?
Almost a full scoop. Do you want me to help? You need to be a little bit taller.
I want to do this one first.
That's actually perfect, okay? Good job. All right, you gonna mix it?
Okay.
You get it in? Oh, good job.
Mommy, you'll make it up.
You want me to help you?
Yeah.
Ready?
Make it up.
Yep, you did good. All right, should we rinse it off now?
Jack, can we get it out?
Nope.
Yeah, that's enough. My pops.
You want to rinse it off?
Yeah. I want to. Jack,
Sounds dangerous. Here, put it on the ground. There you go. Good job.
Yes, that's enough. I need help.
1. You didn't eat your Wheaties this morning?
Huh?
Did you not eat your Wheaties this morning? Just deer bacon. And 2. All right.
Mike. Yeah, I'll do this one and you do that one. No. Jack, can I do this one? No, Mike, do it. Can I do this one?
I don't know if I can do this video at the same time.
No.
Watch your fingers.
Jack, can I do this one? Yeah. Mine too. Okay. Jack, I'll do it. No, mine too. Can we do it together? No.
Here.
I want to help you.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
Mine needs red. They do.
Ooh. Can I help you?
No, help me.
Okay.
No, still 3 more minutes. You have to open the door for us.
Yes, sir. You know who you're feeding? Nope, not that one, Jack. We're gonna go over there. She's just so excited. Nope. Gonna go to this one, baby. Over here. Yeah. Good job. Okay, so the second reason I went to the winter conference yesterday for WCA was that I, over the last year, was a part of the Beef Leadership Institute. It was the first time they've ever done it, so it was really cool just to be a part of the very first inaugural group. We did everything from media training, learning how to share our story better, how to deal with those like tough topics, and then we also got to go to the state capitol and meet with legislators and representatives that are really making a change and trying to help out farmers. So it was a really cool, eye-opening experience. Most of my experience is in the dairy industry, and so I wasn't really aware. Good idea. I wasn't really aware kind of what beef checkoff did and stuff, so I just think it's super important for everyone to know what their checkoffs do. Dairy and beef, they both do great things. I know people like to complain about having to pay into them and stuff, but they truly are helping our industry. So I'll get off my soapbox about that. We got milk fed. We only have 2 calves right now that are not being weaned. The rest of them got weaned yesterday. We plan to move all of them today. We need to pick up a few more calves. So I'm gonna take the boys and go do that shortly. I think there's 3 of them, but I really can't remember. And then what else are we doing today? Joey is gonna try to haul more poop. We need to get some bedding done and things like that. It's supposed to warm up this week. I think it's gonna be in like the 40s today. I just realized how dirty that was, sorry. I think it's gonna be in the 40s today. And then it's gonna get to like the 50s this week too. So it'll be a nice sloppy mess. We got a car recovering right now. Oh man. I think she needs to go to the shop. She's got, I don't know, did she break an ankle? It's not looking good. So yeah, the sun is shining. It's gonna be a good day, and hopefully we get a lot accomplished. Oh, also we're gonna wean the pigs today, piglets. They're at a good age, and they're all doing really well. So I don't know what his plans are for back there, but we'll figure it out as we go along. All right, so stay tuned. Should be a fun-filled episode of Bless This Mess on our farm. Gotta get you that Milwaukee one that tells you what it is.
Gotta get them sealed.
The what?
New tires, when you put them on, these rims say corrode, so it didn't seal.
Oh.
Good Sunday morning, everybody. Chores are done. Becca did some, I did some. I was slow getting out of the house this morning. I was hauling poo last night. I got the pile pretty well hauled. That was 6 loads. Ground was nice and frozen. I was hoping to get a little more done, but we had a little setback. I thought I blew a hydraulic line last night. It's worse. This is supposed to be there. So we're fixing stuff on Sunday. Becca's going to get calves. I'm starting to tear this apart. I do have a leaky hydraulic line, but now I also have a broken cylinder, so I can't pick anything up. So, obviously on a Sunday, no one's open to get a part. So I'm gonna strip this thing apart and then do my best to try to weld it. I can't quite tell what kind of metal it is. It doesn't look like it's cast. So if I get it warm enough and hot enough, I'm hoping I can patch it for good. Like, it'll never break again. We'll see.
What'd you do?
How'd I do?
What is that?
The bottom of the cylinder. Must be because this spacer broke. It's not. I don't know why it broke. I'm hoping I can weld it.
Farm, they said.
Well, we're making progress. Hi, Grace. Hi. So, making progress. Got it tore apart. Got it cleaned up. Things I didn't realize what broke last night, even though I thought I heard something broke, but it seemed to be working till it wasn't. This end up here, I had to file down, grind down, just to try to piece it back together. Bad news, it is cast, so it's not gonna weld worth crap. But hopefully it'll hold long enough that I can get done what I want today, and then probably gonna have to spend $500 to replace it, but we'll see how it goes. So we're gonna put that back on. I'm gonna tack it here. Then I'm gonna take this little torch and heat it up real good, because my little welder, it thinks it can. And I keep telling it it can, but it really can't weld this thick of metal very well. And being cast on top of it, the likelihood of this lasting a long time is not long. But if you can hear the truck run in the background, Becca's home with calves, and I have no bedding in the barn right now, so I gotta get this fixed so I can take a bale down, because I don't wanna have to resort to cutting a bale and then throw it in the four-wheeler, then haul it around. That just doesn't sound like fun. So, we're gonna try to weld this up and see how it goes. Fingers crossed this works. I really wish I knew if this was gonna work. So I can throw some weld on the inside here. I'm gonna have to grind it down out of there. Decisions, decisions. That ain't gonna do nothing. Besides, make more work. Let's put it back together. That might be hot.
So don't touch it?
Well, you don't line up. You might want gloves. That way it's not hot or dirty.
Sounds dangerous. check that out. That's exactly what I was doing. Didn't feel my way through it. Wow, I'm good.
If that doesn't break, I'm really good. This cast iron doesn't weld with the sheet. Because the greaser broke off, that's why it broke.
The greaser broke off?
No, not it split literally right along the greaser point though.
Oh.
So it'll be fine.
Happy chickens. The mulch is actually doing a really good job. Most of this snow is all melted now. Actually, all might be. I don't really see any out there. And that was a lot of water that was coming in. So it did a really good job. It's not super muddy. Over here you can see it's getting a little bit. So I'll probably still grab a couple more bags just to get a better base down. But overall, I'm very pleased. Eventually we want to move this entire thing just to a better area so that it doesn't flood, but that's a project for another day. Just knocking your water over, huh? A little bit of ice in there. I also need to fix this window. I'm not entirely sure who broke it first. Probably the dog, but eventually she just like ripped it all. And when it's windy, it doesn't stay shut with the Velcro. So I'm hoping we have some like egg bag tape in the shed somewhere that I can steal and keep Gracie out of here. The chickens don't really go out too much actually, but Gracie does. Hello. It's supposed to be like that. Yes, the weld did break, so. I tried to ask if that was loose grease, if that was normal.
Well, I just tried to shove some grease in there because I was dry cleaning it. I'm gonna have to drill where the zerk was and put a new one in. But I figured I'd wait and see if that was gonna hold up.
Looks good.
Go to new.
Did Dad do a good job?
No.
Yeah, it's probably gonna break.
Oh, hello. How's your snack, Jack?
Fine. Yep.
Scabs. Don't get too close.
Go back up and chase it.
Remember, they can kick you if you get too close to their back. Okay, stay right there, Joe. Come on, boys. Stay back. Stay back. Jack. Jackson. Think Gracie was a calf? I did. Who's so scary in there. Yep. Look at him. Oh. Scare him. Get up there. All right, go get him. You gonna bring him to me?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi, welcome back. Are you helping?
Yeah.
I don't know about that. All right, let's go back here. Come on. Go behind them. There we go. Giving you a run for your money, Joe.
Hey.
Hey, bud. That's cute. Did you lasso him?
Yeah.
You know.
They don't want.
Drink holders on. Just gotta wash buckets. What's next, boss?
Lunch.
Lunch?
Nap.
Okay.
Beer.
Okay.
Not in that order though. We ain't got time for a nap.
Puppies.
We need it.
Dirty barn day.
That's part of it.
Got a nice spot to lay. Oh, you're so warm. Yes, you are. Dad, do a good job cleaning?
Yes. Mom, why is it a poop pile out there?
So the pigs can play on it. Alright, the back of the barn is officially cleaned out. Good work, Joey. Even got our little pool that we had back here. Puppers. So we're actually weaning these guys, so they will not be going back in with Mama. Peter's hanging out there. He'll come back in a little bit. And then everyone else is out in that pen. Hello. I'm going to shake this up a bit. I forgot my knife is in my vest and I didn't wear it, so hopefully this works. Oh yeah, who needs a knife? Like a charm. All right, you need help? Please? Please? Shake it up. Goodbye. Oh man. They look so pretty. Too bad tomorrow they're gonna be covered in pig poop.
I will take that then. Nothing for them to splash, so we'll see.
It's true.
Stuck my finger in it.
In what?
Pig shit.
Oh, nice.
It smells real good.
So how much did you say a new gate was?
10 footers are like $200.
And what are these?
I haven't done the math yet, but a 2x6 is like $6, so 30 plus maybe another $10 in hardware.
So we saved a little bit of money.
Just a little bit. Because my time is free. It's worth nothing.
I don't know about that, but...
Farmer math.
They're starved.
They're chased by the fat brown things out there.
I'm gonna hold it. Can I have one?
Okay. Go.
Big mama coming through.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Go.
What do you guys think? That's just where he was today. That's just where he was today.
Mom, that was his house.
Hello.
Oh.
Oh, good catch. Say good catch. You coming, Jack? Bless you.
Dad, I didn't even have to go on my belly. I need
Crazy.
help.
Pick the bad spot and throw over, girl.
Here you go.
Good job, Jack.
How did you get it on?
Sophia, climb up on the gate. How many pigs are in here?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, Dad.
Oh. Go call the piggies in, Jack.
Oh.
Hey, piggy, piggy, piggy.
Oh no. Oh. Mom, it's on my pajama.
Huh?
It's on my pajama.
Oh, okay. Don't fall in the poop. Don't chase him out. Reunited and it feels so good. Oh, got one.
Huh?
We got one in.
Should be the last one.
No, one ran out. That one's comfy. Go get it, Joe. Come here, Grace. You don't need to help him. Good job. Okay, now don't let him get out. Is there 9 now in here? You get him? Reunited, and Petunia says absolutely not tonight. Hello, beautiful. The pigs are almost all the way moved back. I had burgers on the smoker that I wanted to come check. They actually don't have a thermometer out here, so I need to run in the house and get it.
Well, I just got the text that took all my ambition away. Supper's ready. Means I'm done for the day. Got the feeder pigs over there. They're all happy. Got the new gates. They're not hung, but they're in place, so it's not quite the circus to clean these pens out. I'll get these hung this week. I got a couple days off. One for Miss Sophia's birthday, but the other one, I'll be working. Peter, he's still all by himself because I put Petunia with him, and holy good moly, he had one thing on his mind and one thing only, and that was not leaving Petunia alone. So I put her back with our little bacon seats so that it was quiet down here. So we're gonna make 2 more gates, one there, one here. I'll get those made, then I'll put Petunia over here, Peter in there. I'll take those boards out. Then we'll be separate, and then we'll figure out when she comes in heat, get them together, but she was not having it, and yeah, I'd hate to see her dead because Peter's a dick. Anyways, I'm gonna call it a night. Go wash the boots off, go to the house. So, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next adventures.
I think that's all we got for you guys today, so thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet subscribed, we'd love if you did, and we'll catch you in the next video.